Dog, we're getting raped. I spawn and just get killed. I don't even know I'm getting killed by half the time, bro. Bro, they got people coming in for them. They got the
Oh, the squad?
army dude. Yeah. And they're messing us up. I quit.
Yeah, that squad is lit. You really backed out? Bro, we never quit on this team, bro. That's one thing we never do.
I just did.
Sometimes you give up, other times you get up. But when they got the squad and the RCXDs, you gotta just leave. You gotta go away. Hey, bro, tell me that song was not gonna be lit. Zack, bro. Tell me that song was not good. Oh my god. Somebody fucking sign me, bro. Somebody sign me.
I see.
Are they inside of the warehouse?
The gray one.
Okay.
I think they're still there.
I'm gonna be on top of it.
They're in the stairway.
Why are you sniping? There's one.
Good shit, Manny. Hey, grab that shit and let's go.
That was nice.
Yep.
Is this a supply drop? On me?
Supply drop?
Yeah. I'm using it.
Oh, there's somebody on there. Ready?
Where?
Spray that bitch up.
Wait, someone's close.
You got her?
There's one.
Martin,
One last one.
Martin, he's by me. Oh, he got me.
I'll save you, daddy.
Bro, he edited on me. He edited a window and shotgun me.
Fuck, there's another team.
Hey, Martin, here.
Good luck.
I'm gonna get the supply drop.
I kind of want to keep that tag. I don't know. Ah, fuck that.
Gio, charge it on me.
Chug Jug, come grab that bitch, Gio. AK, let's go. Give me that. Yo, I'm about to eat some more of these mushrooms. Oh, this bitch moving. Let's go.
Yeah, hold on. Hey, someone scoop me.
What you mean?
Oh, y'all ain't got a quad launcher?
You want to use launchpad? But we got two of them.
No, we good. Or it don't matter.
I'll
The
touch.
circle's right here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
just so I can drink this jug.
Oh, there's people south. And then there's more people pushing them.
I heard people southwest too. Maybe they died from the storm.
Nah, they're south right there. They're building.
Oh, I fucking see them,
There's
bro.
two
It's a
teams.
team of 3. Yup. Hey, come here, man. Come here. We about to launch the fuck up out of here.
Hold up, I'm in the circle. Let me drink this jug.
I'm trying to see.
Look. West. Be careful. West. Jill, bro, you down there in the ditch, but there's niggas right here to the west. Manny, you better. I swear.
Oh, I see him.
I hit one for. I hit 2 of them for 6. Ready? I'm about to put the launch pad. Are y'all with me? Yeah.
Oh, snap it.
Go ahead.
I got one knocked. Fuck that. The other team.
I broke his thing. I'm healing you.
That's the whole team right there.
Yeah, I got bandages.
Watch that rocket incoming. Guys, come get some of this loot, bro.
Oh, you're on?
Put the launch pad down.
I have a rift. Come here. Get close.
Oh.
Get close. Go to the complete opposite bitch. Guys, come here. Have a campfire. Gio, what the fuck are you doing?
What?
Oh, hell no.
Nah, go ahead, do y'all thing.
Why you over there? Oh my god, y este también. Bro, there's literally... Oh my god.
This was the last person.
Yeah, this is the last guy.
He's like, come over.
Nigga, I'm healing up.
He's about to kill me.
I see his little dirty ass.
You could like try to heal or like.
Martin, build to him here.
Good boy, you want my loot? I ain't got
Fuck this dude.
No, Martin, not like this. Martin, stay in the circle. You have balloons, son.
Yeah, the turret. Just place down the turret.
Vete a la verga. Let's get it, baby. Let's fucking get it. Suck my dick.
Nigga, you're a fucking G, I swear.
Fuck that nigga, bro. Fuck his
Bro, I
RPG.
was so nervous for you.
I was just flicking that boy. Oh my god.
Oh my god, really, nigga? 5 health, nigga.
Oh my god, 5 HP.
Bro, this was back to back. That's 2 squads too.
Damn. Oh man, my heart is thumping right now. Ooh.